Guys, we have got a place candidate in QSPAT as Rajajinagar, and he'll be sharing his experience.
So my name is Shaurya. I recently graduated from Rajarajeswari College of Engineering. I joined QSPIDAS in the month of November 2024. First I attended the manual testing courses which was taken by Gautam sir and Pradeep sir. Starting days only they had all these fun and the experience in the class was very nice, and it helped me understand knowledge as well as have fun in the class. Like that only I had taken up Java, SQL as a course, and it was taken by Tejas sir and Vinod sir, and that also helped me a lot. They made me technically strong. Moreover, after all these classes, they took me to boot camp. They helped me with presentation and communication. This really helped me during the interview process. So that is one of the things. Moreover, grooming also, Selenium and API. It was really nice. It helped me crack interviews in the early stages. So it was a really good experience. Thanks to Gautam sir, which helped me, he helped me push more towards the interview, and finally I was able to crack one of the interview.
Congrats.
Thank you.